Hi, my name is Ange, and today we are going to be starting planting all of the flowers and plants that are in our multi-bed. So let's get started. Okay, guys. So yeah, we gotta plant our stuff that's in the multi-bed because it is going to be in the 60s, and that's cold, but not too cold that the plants will freeze. We can't be goofing around because we have to get the plants in the ground right now. So, come on. Okay, so we got one planted. Now we just gotta do all of the rest. And finally, we put this in the ground. Right there. Boom. Now we're gonna be planting some parsley. And you can tell that this kind of looks like dirt, but it's not. It's peats pots. It's made out of peats. Because this is plastic. This is peats. These are supposed to disintegrate in the ground, but they don't really work, so we don't use them. We mostly just take the plant out, then plant it. The pots, we just put them in the compost. It works best. We're gonna make just like this. Make sure it's steep enough. Like, that's good. Make sure you don't drop the plant like I just did. Sorry. Then you're just going to take that dirt and just make sure it's straight. Then just cover it like that. Then you're going to take this parsley, flat giant of Italy, and just stick it in. So then we know. Now that's how you plant. Okay, now we're going to be taking kale, putting him right there. Make a nice hole, make sure it's deep enough. Like, that is pretty good. If it's not, then you can make it a bit deeper, like that. Then you can just cover them up. Then boom, you just planted yourself kale. Easy peasy. Perfecto! What do you think? Leave a comment below. Now I'm just gonna get a big yellow marigold. The roots are used to growing around because they will inhale. This is called a root bound. And root bound happens because this was inhale and the pot is small, so the roots just kept circling around. So we want to loosen it up, on the close to the bottom, because the bottom is where the roots are actually growing. This is good enough. As long as some of the roots are actually facing down, like these guys, that's good enough. So then now we just cover it up like usual. Then just boom, boom. Okay guys, so we just finished part 1. Yeah, the video was really long. So we made it into 2 parts. Part 1, part 2. So today we just finished part 1. And tomorrow we're going to be finishing part 2. Well, starting part 2. So make sure to tell everyone about me, your cousins, your friends, your aunt, your uncle. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.